have this panel, and thank you for using Delta. Just click on home button and you will get all scripts. Just click execute. Hello YouTube and welcome to my brand new review. In this review I will show you how I got Delta Executor for Roblox. Absolutely free, safe and online, guys. This is working perfectly on both Android and iOS devices. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have, navigate to this website called AppLoop, then type in search Delta Executor and you will find the online tool. Click there, guys, and I will have to enter our Roblox user ID. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here. Let me just show the easiest way. So just go to your official profile on your browser and just copy your profile link. Okay, let's get back to our tool, and then you have paste button. Just press paste and you will get automatically your Roblox user ID. So let me click continue, guys, and let's see. As you can see, user found, and the next step is select on button and select script that you want to add to your account, guys. I will select this. Let me click continue and let's see, does it actually work? So guys, if you want to follow the latest tutorial for Delta Executor, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I record more of these and review more websites around these. AppLoop is an amazing website for this. AP connected, nice. Just scroll down and click I'm not a robot to verify yourself. Perfect, guys, and now we're on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important steps. What we need to do here, guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questions. It's your choice. Just click here on free, click go, and it will start downloading from the official publisher. When the app are downloaded, complete the task. Below each task you have the description of what you have to do. So guys, I will download Travel Town and Scanner app, so I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this task and this task. I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along these redirecting tags, guys. If you have this message, just wait for this redirecting. Okay, and let's see the next step. Nice, guys, verification successful. Thanks for passing the bow check. Delta Executor is important to your account, guys. I'm so excited to test this. Okay, so let me open the game and let's see, does it actually work? So let me see. Okay, let me play this escape. And guys, I'm now in the game, and let's wait a little bit. So nothing yet, so let's see. Okay guys, as you can see, we have this panel, and thank you for using Delta. Just click on home button and you will get all scripts. Just click execute and look at this, guys. Look at how this working perfectly. So that's pretty much it for this review. Thank you for watching and see you in the next. Bye.